Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I bent this flat sheet into this shape. As you can see, there are several closed angles at the top, which means we can't use the simple methods I explained in the previous video to make a male and female bending die. So, let's get started and I'll show you how I did it. As always, I started with the design, created the parts one needed, and after cutting them out, I began assembling everything. I decided to use two moving parts with a simple mechanism that turns the vertical motion of the punch into side movement and pressure. Like all bending dies, we need to make sure the punch moves exactly in line with the die. These two parts make that happen. Looking for high-quality parts for your next DIY or engineering project? Let me show you how JLCMC makes it simple. Start by visiting jlcmc.com and logging in. If you're a new user, you'll get a $70 coupon just for signing up. Then explore an enormous catalog of over 600,000 products. Whether you're building mechanical systems or electronic devices, JLCMC has everything you need in one place. Need a part made to your exact specifications? JLCMC also offers custom machining services with precision and ease. And the best part? You'll enjoy low prices and fast worldwide shipping, so your parts arrive quickly and affordably. Visit jlcmc.com today. Link in the description. I also added this alignment guide to make sure the bend is made in the exact right spot on the piece. Rounding the edges where the piece touches the die prevents scratches and surface marks. In this bending die mechanism, I designed the punch exactly to match the shape I needed, and these two moving parts help the piece sit perfectly on the punch for a precise bend. Now it's time to see how this die actually works.